All right, everybody. Welcome to episode 2 of Castle's podcast, where we talk about announcements. We talk about things going on with Castcle. We answer questions that we've been getting from the community, and we are having a nice chat with the head of Castcle team, Mr. Warapop. Welcome back, sir.
Ivan.
All right. Well, let's get right into it. We've got some questions today. Um, Many people have been enjoying Castle's beta. It's been a lot of the bugs have been worked out. It's been successful so far. Where is Castle now in its development stage?
Okay, we already released the Castcle beta, right? And we are on track to release the full Castcle fully launched application in this coming June.
Well, that is exciting. And many people have also been asking about the IDO. Is the IDO coming in June also?
Yes, we expect to launch the same time as our fully launched application. So IDO and the fully launched product will be at the same time, which is we expect to be by this coming June.
All right, wonderful. Well, many people have been asking about those dates because they will mark the end of our airdrop campaign. So you heard it here, folks. You still got a couple of more months to get in on the early caster airdrop. Coming with the fully launched version, we are going to see the official release of content farming. A lot of buzz around content farming. Tell me, what is the purpose of content farming and how does it make Caskell better?
Okay. The real purpose is for content farming that we want to encourage user to keep engaged in Castcle application, and we want the dynamic content by community or by from Castcle user that Castcle user can farm their Cast token to the content that they like to it's like one type of engagement. So the Castcle will algorithm will learn is which content is recommended by the community to keep rank that content higher in our algorithm. So in order to keep our Castcle community uh, to fulfill with the quality content. In return, the user who farm in the quality content will earn the ad revenue sharing from that content as well.
Well,
So
you
this is
said that the algorithm learns from the essentially farming is another way to promote the content. How is that different from liking? Doesn't liking and
Mhm.
recasting promote content also?
Okay. By use the like feature, the let's say like is a unlimited engagement, so you can like many times as you want, right? But for to farm in the content, there's a limited because it's limited by your cash token holder. Our system will limit the user can farm only 20 contents per day or per 24 hours. So it's like a limited engagement. So people have to think about it to farm in the quality content or in the viral content that they like. So we think in this way we can improve our algorithm to recognize which content is going to be viral. So we can rank up that content to more popular easier in
Sounds
in
like a great way to discourage bot activity too, since they're actually investing their money in promoting this content rather than just liking it.
yeah, you can say in that way.
Okay, next one we have Castcle is primarily going to be an advertising platform that is right now focused on crypto users and crypto content. In order to do that, people need to advertise on Castcle. So, how will Castcle gain value as an advertising platform?
Okay, as we start decentralized social media, so our main audience right now is the cryptocurrency user or a typical user that interested in blockchain, in DeFi, in NFT or GameFi. So any advertiser who want to target onto this specific audience, of course, Castcle is a right platform for them. and they can target ad on based on the user interest. For example, if that user interest in the Ethereum chain or in the Solana chain or in the GameFi, they can specifically target to this audience. In our roadmap, by the end of this year, we will launch. They can actually in the middle of by quarter 3, we will launch that user can sync their wallet to Castcle account, so the advertiser can target on the token holding in their wallet. For example, that if they are GameFi, new GameFi application, they want to target at who interested in GameFi, right?
Hmm.
So they can target at specifically to any holder in XC token or SLP token or any
Okay.
GameFi token. So the target ad can be more specific and more target to the right audience.
More
So that's why
powerful.
we think that in this way that we sharing the ad revenue or ad cost back to the user is gonna be create a win-win situation for both advertiser and for user as well. So encourage the user to consent more data to Castcle.
Okay, so you've got the more powerful ad targeting in place. You've got the specificity of the audience and their data, but of course, buying ads is going to be one of the important features. How will buying ads happen on Castcle? Right, advertisers' objective is to direct their ads to the right group at the right time. Like you said, we have that demographic data, but how will they manage the time in which the ads will be deployed and the price of them and whatnot?
Okay, so you mean the price of the ad, right?
Right. I'm referring to
Okay.
the price of the ad and the time of the ad's deployment. Like, let's say I want 1,000 people to see it.
Yes, yes. Okay. So it's like our ad system is ad auction system, typical to social media that you if at first you have to specify the target audience, okay, and of course the demographic like location, language, or any chain that they interest, or any type interest, or the token holder that they're holding. And of course you spend the budget if that audience have more competition, so the ad cost will be higher. I think it's a
Oh.
typical for at auction market.
So that would mean that the ad cost for every user is not the same. It's
Yeah.
for users that have more data.
Yes. So
Uh,
it depends on their data. Yes, of course.
and it also depends on the like and the recast data too, I would assume, right?
Yes, but of course, everything that we mentioned, we make sure that user have the fully control of their privacy, so they can remove their consent anytime that they want, or they can consent to earn more their data value.
And that is the key to decentralizing it. Okay, very nice. Okay, right now they've got plenty of features on Castcle. They've got the ability to like, we've got image posts now, we've got the ability to sync with other social medias and auto post there. Do we have plans to branch out into other types of content? And what types of content do you think will be the most beneficial for Castcle users?
Okay. In our roadmap, by the end of this year, three type of feature that we will launch. First is a short video like TikTok and Instagram Reel. Also, the second is about the group, so we can discuss in the interest group that they want. And the last one is about the content NFT. So we will allow the any content creator to mint their content to become the content NFT and benefit from that NFT value.
Excellent. All right, good, good. Okay, so just a second ago, we talked about data consent. You mentioned that users can consent certain types of data. Which options for data consent will be used, prioritized, available, however you want to say it?
Yeah, for example, like a location or language, or any like or categories uh, they like, or even maybe like the token holder. Yeah, for example, if they sing wallet and they won't allow any ad to target to me. Let's say I'm seeing my wallet to Castcle. I have the Axie token, and I don't want anyone who target ad to me because I'm holding the Axie token. I need to do that. So it said I have fully control of my privacy.
And in this way, they can manage data that's already been collected and easily delete it from the system then, yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so right now, Castcle has many different airdrops that it is employing. We know about the referral airdrop. We know about the register airdrop. And what other ways are people going to be able to earn CAS token outside of the conventional revenue sharing?
Okay, I think we need to split into two versions. On the on the beta version right now, you can earn the cash from the register and do the verify mobile number. And the second is to do referral during the beta. And the third, you can do like a content reward. So if you create a content during the beta, at the end of beta, we will prorate the million cash token to any content creator based on their reach during the beta. Okay, so that's it during the beta version.
Okay.
And when the fully launched version, you can earn from seeing ads or create a content based on content reach and content farming. And also you can earn by joining the airdrop campaign that we launched with our partners. And also the last one is by the referral rewards. So anyone who refer user to join Castcle, they will get a bonus of 10% of the social reward of referees that earned during the 6 months.
And this is all going to be part of the full launch version. So we've got some people asking about the way CAS token will be on chain, right? Right. Many transactions are going to happen on Castcle. Will they all be able to be viewable live on chain, or are they going to be related to the app, or how is that going to be arranged?
Okay, so all data that on chain you can check on the blockchain, right? But
Of
for
course.
the data that off chain, we will create a dashboard to make sure that we have the we show the transparency of our system. So whatever what the number of the mint, the distribution of the each reward category, we will show on the dashboard. Actually, during the beta, we will show the statistic on the dashboard. You can check on our document. There is the dashboard system that you can check the progress of a cash code.
And this is going to be integrated with Castle's wallet, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thinking about integrating with other types of social media. There are other decentralized social media projects out there, and any of them you are planning to collaborate with or cooperate with, or what is your focus for integrating other social medias?
Okay. I think one of the our features is the auto post features. It's meant that the user can sync their social media account. For example, like right now is a Twitter or Facebook page to Castcle account, and every time they post on their social media account, that content will show up on Castcle as well. So we want to expand that feature beyond Twitter and Facebook page to like TikTok and Instagram. So every time that they upload a photo or any short video, it will show up on Castcle as well. That is our roadmap.
Well,
And not only this to social media. I think this type of feature we will expand regularly to other social media, even the decentralized social media, such as the Steemit or DSO. We still can implement these auto features and integrate to them. We think this is our feature and actually is our main feature for simplicity of content creator.
now, so basically, you want to focus on the platforms that are used to create content. That being said, is Castcle going to be able to record short videos on the app, or will they primarily be come from the other social media apps?
Yes, of course. We plan to do both. I mean, our content creator can do both, depend on them
Okay,
for their
very good.
simplicity.
Very nice, very nice. That does save a lot of simplicity. Okay, so we've had some AMAs in the past, and some of the people asked really good questions. This question came from the Crypto Castle community. What are your shout out to those guys, by the way? Thanks a lot. what are your strongest advantages in the decentralized social media world?
Okay, I think what we different from other decentralized social media. I want to say that we are the Castcle is a new generation of decentralized social media because we link the token to the real demand, the real economic activity of social media, which is advertising. So we link the token to advertise. It means that every advertise will convert to be the demand of the token. To make sure that the token have the real demand and the real value back up the token value. It's not just the token that mint from the air, uh, purely on the air. So our token have value, and that token will represent the value of the Castcle of the social media community together. So it means that everyone will benefit from increasing the expanding the Castcle user. So it's like more user come to Castcle, right? So it means more demand for advertising and more demand for cash token as well. And
Oh,
that will represent the value that every user, every Castcle user can benefit from the cash token. So this is the first difference that we try to link the token to the real economic activity of social media. The second is different is that we develop the auto post feature to make sure that the content creator is simple to create the content to Castcle because I think everyone know that the social media the barrier is the network effect, right? So if there is no content, there is no user to coming to read your content on social media. So that's why we create the auto post feature. So it's very simple for content creator. They just sing and every time they make content, it will show up on Castcle as well. So
I,
this feature will make sure that Castcle is still will full of content, the relevant content and the quality content that benefit for the user to come.
and
And
that
at the
that
end,
adds
it's
quite a few use cases to the token too, doesn't it?
Yes, and the last one is the content farming. So we want to make sure that our content get the have the algorithm to reward the quality content. So the content farming will be the answer for this purpose.
Okay, thank you very much for that. All right, so we've been hearing a lot of talk about NFTs, and it says that you got two different kinds of NFTs that you are planning on. Can you explain those for me?
Okay, for content NFT, let's say that to post the content on Castcle, of course, I mean it's free, right?
Hmm.
But if you want your content to become NFT, you can mint to become the content NFT. And our content NFT is that I think it's similar to the you can get the present value of your content at today because like all the content on Castcle, you will earn the content reach every day. So every time that your content every time that anyone see your content, right, you get the ad revenue sharing.
So
But to
essentially, that allows you to sell your ability to monetize certain content to somebody else, and they can
yes,
monetize that content that you created in the form of an NFT.
yes,
Ah, very nice. Okay. And then it also says that you are looking to make exclusive Castcle profile picture NFTs. Anything on that?
yes, I think we are on this cut with several NFT project partner that we're gonna develop the profile picture NFT for Castcle user. And that profile picture NFT will maybe develop based on their use in Castcle, based on their interest. That our algorithm can learn that okay, this is user is a Bitcoin maxi or Ethereum maxi. They can show up on their profile picture. So we are on developing this feature as well.
Well, I'm sure there'll be Castcle maxis after that. Okay. So tokenomics forecast are very interesting. Right now, you have certain amounts set aside to jumpstart the ecosystem with your early caster airdrops. But Can you give us a moment to discuss the release schedule and the tokenomics for Cast Token?
Okay, I think that the full detail of tokenomics is in our document, but I can explain roughly. There's a like first of all there's a team, right? 10%, 5% for private investor, and 5% for public investor or during the IDO. So this is the first part. And the second part, I think let's say 45% of our tokenomics, let's say it's called social rewards. So I think you can see it as a ad credit that we will give to the partners. So when we fully launch in June, it will be make sure that there will be an ads on Castcle because we give the social or ad credit to our partner. So let them to do advertise on Castcle, right? So let's say half our tokenomics or 45 is the ad credit, okay, and the rest is the airdrop and referral, okay. The airdrop is the campaign that we do with the partners. If anyone who have the token, who hold the token of our partner, can sync their wallet to Castcle and claim our airdrop. So first we want partner to help promote Castcle, and we want to encourage user to sync their wallet to Castcle to claim our airdrop. Okay, and for the referrer will earn 10% bonus of referees social reward during 6 months to make sure that we encourage more. We want to reward back to the referrer. Okay.
Oh, that's a good reward. Okay.
Yes, and any user who want to feedback or any suggestion, recommend to Castcle, please join our Telegram or Discord. Feel free to mention or comment anything. We will appreciate and review your comment and your suggestion and try to improve the Castcle for the best decentralized social media for every user.
All right. Well, you heard it here, guys. Castcle is making efforts to reach out with its communities. They encourage bug reports, plans to make app groups to suggested features, definitely plans for community voting on changes and content moderation. So, looks like a lot of plans to be really involved with the users. If you want to check out Castcle, you can see their Twitter, twitter.com/casttoken, or Telegram, telegram.t.me/Castcle. Check out those links and let the guys know what you think. Drop in and say hi. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you for coming, Mr. Warapop. That was very informative.
Okay, thank you, Ivan. And any
All right.
question, feel free to ask us. We will come answer in the next video.